Hey guys, Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel, here for Wondabyne part number 7, as requested by Hungry Bone Gaming and the awesome 1101010. Now to start with, I'll point out that the white line and yellow line have been repainted, same as on this platform, because last time I was here there wasn't much of the yellow line left. Hello Cameron!
Hey.
Transport for New South Wales Vlogs, give his videos a thumbs up and subscribe to his channel. There's an Oscar approaching platform number 1, Sydney service. H47 is your set. I guess no one's getting on, no one's getting off. There's a V set that's about to pass platform 2, Newcastle service. It should pop around the corner in a minute. There she is. Front 4 cars, V44. Explorer about to pass platform number 2. What an awkward camera angle. We have some freight about to pass platform 2, LDP classes. Talk about some bad wheel squeal. The V set, passing platform number 1, V21 being the front 4 cars. Rear 4 cars, V4. Anyway guys, I'm going to wrap this vlog up now. There's an M set that should pass very shortly. That will be in the next vlog. I'll make a separate vlog for it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and favourite the video. And thank you for watching STV, Sydney Trains Vlogs. Goodbye for now.